Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Fastcap FAFASTBREAKXL hand sanding accessory, hand sander. So this is a, if you're looking at it, you probably have an idea what this is. This is for chamfering, putting a chamfer on the edge, so you've got a square edge on your door or your plywood or whatever you're working on. And this tool will put, and this is an exaggerated view, but this tool will put a chamfer, as you can see. You know, it doesn't look that excessive at all. It's very, very light. It just breaks the edge of doors, plywood, whatever you're working with. Having machined a lot of wood doors myself, this is a nice tool that I've used because when you have a door, let's say a residential door, but you know, a commercial door, and you're going to plane it, get it pre-fit down to the size that you want, put a bevel on it. Well, those edges are quite sharp, and they are intended to be broken or chamfered slightly. And this tool is very comfortable in the hand and is very appropriate for use in that area. And what's nice about it is you get a very uniform sort of break to the wood that you're working on when you use a tool like this. Okay, place it on the edge and just uniformly and evenly just slide it across. Okay, and perhaps back, it depends on the wear pattern, you know, how worn the sandpaper is that you're working on. But it's very comfortable in the hand as well, at least in my hand. It's got grooves on it to improve the gripping ability of your hand. You know, super comfortable, durable in the shop, you know, long lasting. If you got to shop more than one guy, what happens is everybody's looking to use the tool if there's only one of them, sort of situation. They are just one of those things that gives a better net result, and employees want their product to be seen in the best light possible, and this tool helps provide that sort of end result. Removable end caps, and what that means, and I won't take both of them off, but this brass nut here allows you to house additional pieces of sandpaper, and right from the factory it's going to come with some more. This is a cloth-backed sandpaper that you would see. That reminds me of a sanding belt. Quite durable. You would want to use something like that, not a paperback sort of item. You'd want something durable. You don't want to be cutting into the plastic base behind here. Okay, and that just slides in. So you're going to want to make sure that you are cutting your sandpaper to very precise dimensions when you refill your tool, so to speak. Nice little carrying case there. Great quality tool, dollar for dollar. You know, it's nice. Especially if you're doing door work, which I'm mostly familiar with. It's just a nice tool. Will work for thicknesses from 3/4 inch to 2 3/8. You know, you're going to be between a 3/4 and probably 1 3/4 inch, or a 2 1/4 inch door thickness. Good quality item. If you have any questions on the Fastcap FAFASTBREAKXL hand sanding accessory or any other Fastcap product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much.